Hi everyone, this is Dr. Bebika. I'm here with Pink Villa shooting for a segment called as Get Ready With Me for a Party. Anybody can match my glam and shine. Like, hey, tera gardan dekh, tera muh dekh. Okay guys, today is my makeup session. I hope you like it. बोलना तेरा fashion sense देख. परंपरा, प्रतिष्ठा, अनुशासन ये भी makeup का एक हिस्सा है. So how do I get ready for a party? तो I'm not a party animal. मैं ज़्यादा parties जाती नहीं हूँ, पर जो जाती हूँ exceptionally rare जाती हूँ, and I make sure that I'm this blingy, glittery goofball, disco ball that I am always. How do I start off with? Summers आ गए हैं. I make sure that I do my skincare on point. These are few of my prime products that I use. आपको makeup segment के साथ साथ skincare भी पता चल रहा है मेरा. So this is a day cream that I use. I have been pretty much appreciating products from Dot & Key. It's not a promotional thing, but I have been using it. So Dot & Key has been working well with me. तो Dot & Key का ये एक ceramide and hyaluronic acid का skin barrier face cream है, specially for summers, ताकि आपके skin का जो moisture है वो maintained रहे. So this is how I start with before applying makeup, because you can't apply makeup on a bare dry skin. No, not at any cost. So starting off with making sure that your skin is well moisturized. After that, a very prime step that shouldn't be forgotten is SPF. Even if you're going indoors, you are surrounded by humongous light. और ये UV rays तो harmful है ही, उसके साथ indoor lights भी बहुत harmful है. So I usually SPF में I carry a spray, a big spray of 60, SPF 60. But I can't carry it everywhere. So this is pocket friendly. It comes with SPF 60 as well, and it's by Aqua Surge Clear Sun Stick by Earth Rhythm. So this is something that I carry everywhere I go. आप चाहे तो ये मेकअप के ऊपर भी एक कोटिंग लगा सकते हैं if you feel that you've forgotten your sunscreen. Believe me, it works like wonders. It doesn't make your skin look very patchy और एक white cast नहीं रहता है, and it just stays there like an even film. So this is something very important. Don't forget your under eye. Under eyes जो होते हैं वो हम ज़्यादातर भूल जाते हैं. After putting on the sunscreen overall and the moisturizer that I have put on, this is the other one which I use in the night before going to bed. It has retinol and ceramides. It's a night repair cream. So there are certain ingredients जो आपके स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स में होना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, तब जाके आपका स्किन केयर सही होता है, especially when you've crossed 25. It should have hyaluronic acid, it should have retinol, it should have ceramides, it should also have vitamin C, and there are a lot of ingredients जो आपके स्किन टाइप के लिए और रिपेयर के हिसाब से आपके लिए ज़रूरी होते हैं. So all you little girls out there who have just entered their 20s or crossed 25, these are certain things you should note. तो स्किन केयर हो गया, SPF लग गया, थोड़ा चिप लग रहा है, but it will settle down eventually, and as it settles, we'll switch to the makeup card. How do you start your makeup? I start off with a color correcting concealing palette. It's by Insight Cosmetics का मेरा जो बॉक्स है मेकअप का. I'm pretty sure you guys are getting nostalgic because this is what I used to carry with me in Bigg Boss as well. Before getting ready, ये उठा के ऐसे पुचुक चल के मैं जाती थी, मिरर के सामने रखती थी, and used to put on my makeup. This is what I carry everywhere, even when I'm traveling overseas, because it just fits in everything all together. The pouches का system is very rare with me, but yeah, the makeup vanity is consistent and constant. So I start off with a color corrector. My skin tone usually accepts any makeup product जो कि ivory shades में है. तो warm ivory और nudish ivory, a little fairer ivory, ये सारे जो shades है that goes well with me. But आपका perfect skin tone आपको कभी नहीं मिलता है. So I tend to blend two shades together. यहाँ सबसे light और lesser light, darker shades नहीं, ये दो shades I'm taking. First I start with under eye. I'm not somebody who likes to use the brush to put product on my face. I like to do it with my hands. हाथ से better कोई काम आप नहीं कर सकते हो, not with brushes. So this is something that you can use. Wow, let me take a while to appreciate my own self. I did wonders. So when I do thick liners, now the mascara gets a little off because it's not very evident. It has created major of my eyelid space. इसके लिए थोड़ा फाइनल मस्कारा इज समथिंग, उसको तो टचअप कितना भी दो कम ही पड़ता है, पता नहीं क्यों. वेयर आर वी गोइंग टेकिंग अप ऑल दिस प्रोडक्ट एंड यू कैंट सी बेबिका विथ नो ड्रामा. सॉरी. डन. नाउ वी वुड हेड टू द चीक्स. माई फेवरेट आर्च्ड ब्रश. That's all for the cheeks. It's the Flicka Glow and Blow. It's a perfect blend. This is actually my travel product. I use it while I'm traveling. My palette for the cheeks and the blush and for the highlight is different, but this is the most convenient one. Oh, my shadow one also has a blush with variety. Ta-da! So it's for all skin tones. This is for darker skin tone. This is for also darker skin tone. Darker skin tones पे ये जो brighter color है अच्छा लगेगा, and this is for the fairer ones. तो here I don't mess up with blush. यहाँ पे मैं सारा मिला के नहीं थोपने वाली हूँ, यहाँ मैं सिर्फ एक ही pick up करूँगी because blush is something you can't mess up with. I take the inner apple of my cheeks and then go all the way here. It gives me a lifted look. पहले मैं blush सिर्फ sides में लगाती थी. But then I realized that there are certain type of blushes like the sunburn effect, the lifted cheek effect, there is that. So I started experimenting a little more. Okay, I do have to blend two blushes together ताकि आपके कैमरा में बेहतर दिखे आए. Tip of my nose. I don't know, they say it makes you look younger. I wonder if I'm looking 15-year-old, but whatever. हो गया ब्लश. नाउ विल मूव टू द हाईलाइट. हाईलाइट के लिए आई यूजुअली यूज द फैन शेप, बट दिस इज अ बिग फैन शेप. इट्स फॉर द एंटायर बॉडी हाईलाइट और अ स्मॉलर वन which can specifically work for highlighting. So this is also what I use for blush. इससे थोड़ा जो छोटा we can use for the highlight, which is this. Pear shaped, I don't know what this is called. Let's not get into details unless the end result is marvelous. Marvelous. Senorita. At the tip, at the corner of my cheek, I wonder if the product is coming out. You never know. As I told you, I'm very insecure with the under eye. A good under eye day is a blessing for every woman out there. This is the T-zone, they say. Idhar maro highlight or idhar maro. I'm not a fan. So throughout, you must have not seen me putting contour. Because come on women, why do we have to cut our faces? Why do we have to make them look different? Why do we have to make a round face into oval or into heart shape or into longer? Why? It is squarish round. It will remain squarish round. Highlight. Augment what you already have. Love what you already have. And bloom it. Polish it. Don't cut. Don't cut and don't make yourself look something that you're not. So I'm not a contouring fan, I'm sorry. And I think we are kind of done. There's another spray to fix it. Wow, it's a seal packed spray with 20 dirhams written on it. I'm not opening it. Oh, the most important thing that I'm forgetting. I was a huge fan of red lips. I used to put on red lipsticks and darker shades of lipsticks all the time. I don't know why growing up when I started learning makeup, but I realized eventually that the kind of magic that nude does, no other lip shade can do. That's because it just makes your real features pop out. Darker shades, they make you look like a different person, but nude just exposes who you are. So nude again. I overdraw my lips. I've got small lips and I'm not a fan of fillers or botox. कुछ करवाया नहीं है, करना भी नहीं है, तो इधर थोड़ा आप लोग जुगाड़ कर सकते हो. You know, girls with smaller lips, they can overdraw their lips. I've seen Karishma Kapoor in Zubeda, where she'd been overdrawing her lips throughout the movie, and I don't think she's done anything much on her face. Her face is very natural, so I admire women who are aging gracefully with naturalness and using such hacks to look pretty. I think we are done. So the makeup is done. We have to, okay, there's a lot of product on my hand. The first and foremost thing I have to do is to wash my hands. So I still remember there was a very famous makeup artist in UK who had her own products launched, and she was friends with my father. And I was a little girl, she used to send heaps and heaps of makeup, and I didn't even know what makeup is. So वो पूरा expiry में जाता था, हम use नहीं कर पाते थे. But eventually when I started putting makeup, I realized कि ये सब कितना महंगा होता है boss, और वो मैंने क्यों use नहीं किया at the right age. I started doing makeup at the age of 22, very late. I started doing my eyebrows when I was 20. तो 20 साल की उम्र तक लोगों को मुझे full grown झबरू eyebrows के साथ देखना पड़ा, but that's okay. So I really embraced beauty and makeup and grace at a very later age, but when I did it full-fledged, and I don't think anybody can match my glam and shine. So this is my final look. I'm all set for a party. It has to be blingy, shimmery, over the top and extravagant, and I'm making sure it's not just my outfit but my soul which is shining. Hi, this is Dr. Bebika and you're watching me on Pink Villa.